Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most advanced and futuristic machines of 2026, the all-new Audi 2026. Audi has redefined design, technology, and performance, and this new model is the purest expression of their future vision. So sit back as we explore every detail of this masterpiece. Scene 1, Exterior Reveal. The camera glides across a dark studio as the silhouette of the car appears. The 2026 Audi emerges with sharper lines, a wider stance, and aggressive LED matrix headlights. Its new aerodynamic body gives it a bold and confident presence. The grille is more sculpted than ever, not just a design piece but an aerodynamic tool engineered for precision. Audi has introduced active Aero Technology, meaning the car adjusts its airflow in real time, improving stability at high speeds and boosting overall performance. Scene 2, Performance. Let's talk power. The 2026 Audi comes in two major powertrains: a turbocharged hybrid engine that blends efficiency with speed, a fully electric performance variant powered by Audi's all-new e-torque electric system. With instant torque and zero lag, the electric variant rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds. The legendary Quattro AWD system has been enhanced with adaptive intelligence that optimizes traction on any terrain, rain, snow, or rough roads. Audi has also upgraded its battery technology. With ultra-fast charging support, you can jump from 0% to 60% in just 15 minutes. Scene 3, Interior Reveal. Step inside and the cabin feels like a luxury spaceship. Soft ambient lighting wraps around the interior. A futuristic curved OLED display, floating dashboard design, and Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus create a seamless digital experience. The seats are made from premium sustainable materials, designed with ventilation, heating, and a full-body massage system. The steering wheel features a new flat-top and flat-bottom design that enhances both style and control. Audi's AI Driving Assistant 3.0 takes interaction to a new level, supporting voice, gesture, and even emotional recognition commands. Scene 4, Technology and Features. The tech in this car is beyond impressive. Holographic heads-up display, 360-degree smart vision cameras, auto lane change with predictive AI night vision, 2.0 vehicle-to-home wireless integration, self-cleaning glass technology. The audio experience is remarkable. An 18-speaker 4D sound system that lets you feel the music, not just hear it. Scene 5, Safety. Safety has reached a new level. The 2026 Audi uses predictive collision AI, emergency auto braking, driver health monitoring, and enhanced airbag shielding technology. The car can detect objects up to 250 meters ahead with accuracy. Outrow. And that's the all-new 2026 Audi, a future-forward blend of luxury, technology, and pure performance. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and comment your favorite feature below. See you in the next video. Until then, drive safe and stay futuristic.